Hey, I'd like to show you how I create a fillable PDF with this cool free toy called Senja. I don't know how to say it, but if you come back to the main page, you can see you can do all these cool things with a PDF. I like to come down here to create forms and then upload the PDF that I typically create inside Canva. So here it is. It's going to be really easy. This one's really simple. I'm doing some check boxes and I'm doing some lines to write. So I'm going to come here and do a text area. And I am just going to go here and then I am going to make the font size match the lines, which I can't really see. Oh yeah, my lines are giant. Okay, but that's okay. I'll make it match. That'll work for now. So now I'm just going to duplicate this and go to these other sections. Here, duplicate is close enough. I don't have time to tweak this. I come here, just click on it, and then I do the duplicate field. Scroll down, so easy. You're gonna watch me do all of it because I might as well get my work done while I'm creating this video. And then I'm just gonna resize some of these so it fits the block, so it's the best user experience. Okay, and the gray word is not going to show up. And then one more, and in case you're wondering, these are my discovery call questions. In the last one, I had checkboxes, but this time I didn't do that. But if you had a checkbox, it's so easy. You come here to the checkbox, and once you've created your square, you could just put it here to check it off. So maybe that's something I should have done here, like warm up and fit. Like I could have just duplicated this. But yeah, you just want to come from the duplicated part. And then you can like put your checkboxes where you want it to be. All right, but I actually don't need them this time. But usually we're doing checkboxes. You can do drop down signatures, such a great tool. And after you're done, come down here to apply changes. It'll put it here. You can see all the gray boxes all ready to go. I'm gonna hit download and that's it, you're done. And when you come to open it, you can see that the blue section lets you type. And it is a good user experience here. Now, I always label it fillable, so I know which one is the one that is outward facing to clients, and then I keep a PDF that is internal that I don't share. So happy creating fillable PDFs. This is great if you're a marketing assistant and you are helping your clients with workbooks and lead magnets and all of that stuff in the creator space. And if you're doing that, come find me, Emily Reagan. I have a whole community of freelance marketers, virtual assistants, and marketing assistants who have united. We are helping each other grow, learn, and get clients. I'd love to have you inside my digital marketers workgroup.